Open house February 2, 2020 from 1-3 p.m. Handsome mid-century colonial that only gets better with each step. Orientation maximizes the water views in every way. Traditional foyer, allowing views of the Lafayette, opens to formal LV dining room on either side. Expansive FM and breakfast area traverse the BK of the HM overlooking the huge N River. Perfect updates to gourmet's kit/desk&butler's pantry include appliances, fixtures and gorgeous stone ctps. Mste on 2 at level features windows all around, ensuite BTH, walk-in closet. Second level features 3 more bdrms west/hall BTH. Possib. 4th bedroom/frog west/3rd full BTH can function as a den/guest suite. Beautiful original WD floors. Pella windows, synthetic slate roof, tankless HWH, newer CAC, new stone.